talk about three things you need to know in order to become a graphic designer. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Pungurali and I am a designer, an artist, and also an educator. Sometime back, I had spoken about what you need to learn to become a fashion designer. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about what you need to know to become a graphic designer. So, come on, let us see what are the three things that you need to know to become a graphic designer. The first and the basic thing that you need to know is the principles and the elements of design. Elements of design are the lines, the shapes, the color, the figures, the text, and all the different kind of things that you use in a design are the elements of design. And principles of design are a set of rules that you need to follow to form a very good composition when you use these elements together. For example, when you design a logo, probably you will be using text and then an icon or shape along with it, and you will add color to it. So a certain set of rules needs to be followed to bring out a unique and outstanding design. It needs to be balanced, it needs to be rhythmic, and so on. So not only for graphic design, but for any kind of design, understanding the elements and the principles of design are very important. The second thing that you need to know is to be able to apply these principles and elements of design as per your client brief. Your client may be giving you description about their company or their brand, and they would be expecting something. So it is very crucial to understand what is in the client's mind and what are their expectations. So a lot of research is involved, and it is very important to understand what the client needs and to put yourself in the client's shoes and be able to apply your design principles to cater to the client's brief. The third one is the utmost crucial one, which is learning to work with the design softwares, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. As a graphic designer, you will be providing your designs to the client in the form of an Illustrator file or a Photoshop file, and also you will be creating and working over these softwares to create your design. So the design process also evolves through Photoshop, though sometimes or maybe most of the time it starts with a rough hand sketch, and some designers prefer to directly draw on Photoshop or Illustrator. So it is very important to learn these softwares. And a lot of people ask me which one is better, which should I learn? Should I learn Photoshop or Illustrator? I would say if you can, it is always good to learn both the softwares, but at least be thorough on one of them. Illustrator is a vector-based software, and usually the open files or the workable files in a graphic is given through Illustrator as a vector file, which can be enlarged or resized without affecting its quality, and also can be edited very easily. Photoshop is raster based, and it is very good for editing your photographs. And even if you choose to use only one, you can still manage whatever you can do with Illustrator in Photoshop also, and vice versa. So it is very crucial to learn both, but at least one of them. And a lot of people must be thinking right now, don't I have to be creative? Don't I have to have the skills to draw by hand? Well, if you know how to sketch by hand, or if you are very good in drawing, it is an added advantage. But if you do not know how to draw, or if you have no drawing skills, you can still create a lot of different graphics with the help of these softwares. So I hope that was useful. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, and please do subscribe. See you.